Hello YouTube, welcome back to the Think Twice Game Dev channel, and today I got another banging video. Yeah, I just love doing that. I really enjoy seeing banging video. Alright, I got my twin brother right here on the Think Twice Game Dev channel. My twin brother is an application developer, machine learning practitioner, and a Snapchat lens developer. He does quite a lot of tech things like creation. I'll just call him, for me, I'll just simplify things. I would say is a tech inventor. That's how I would say. He does a lot of amazing tech stuff. He also has a channel is running right here on YouTube called the ErnyVibes channel, if I'm right. Yes, I am right, because I'm always on this channel. Yeah, he's an amazing person to be around, and I enjoy just having time just to learn from him and see what is up to and creating. So he's right here, and we are gonna learn a lot of things. I'm gonna question him a few things, and we're gonna have a tech discussion with him right here on the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave the notification bell right here, and let's get started. Whoa.
You can't really explain yourself sometimes, you feel? Yeah, it's an honor to be on this channel. At the same time, I love your content, amazing stuff you're doing.
Thank you so much,
You're
bro.
really making an impact, both with empowering a lot of women to join technology and the games, to also help with creative and logic problem solving to the kids and everybody playing video games and mobile games and a lot of things you're doing. And it's a privilege, and I'm honored to be on the channel.
I'm glad, bro.
Yeah.
You know, yeah, YouTube. I have to wear the glasses so you don't. Yeah. Okay, let me just take them off. We are twins, yeah, man. Look at the camera, because most people it's the first time. Like, you see, we are twins.
Alright.
I know we don't look alike. We're fraternal. We're
Fraternal.
fraternal twins.
Sure.
So I should just wear my glasses maybe.
Yeah,
So that,
no problem.
yeah, that.
I'm gonna make myself comfortable.
Yeah, but man, I think I'll just take them off so everyone's all cool and stuff. I hope you're comfortable, because for me, don't mind me. I'm having a drink right now.
Alright.
Because I talk a lot, so I want to really
Relieve yourself.
relieve myself and be comfortable, because
Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is really important. You gotta stay hydrated.
exactly.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. All right. So like recently I heard that you've been developing quite a lot of Snapchat lenses. What is all these Snapchat lens things that you keep developing, and how did you go about it? Because my dear lens. Yeah. All right. Yeah.
When it comes to Snapchat lens creation or the lens studio, we're dealing with a lot of augmented reality (AR).
Okay.
This deals with like one of the videos said, the manipulation of real-time environment. You're actually trying to bring the virtual world into the real world, you know.
Alright.
And I feel that's the future. That's the future for a lot of sustainable things we're trying to look at in future. And it's also the future of gaming. It's also the future of simulation. In other words, it's also the future of the metaverse. AR developing, Snapchat lens developing, things you put on your face, the things you wear virtually, actually is the next big thing.
So in short, bro, you're telling me that when you develop a Snapchat lens, so like how? Because since you're in partnership with Snapchat, how do you like make your? Okay, how do you think? Okay, when it comes to augmented reality, this is something that's really challenging, like to put into a virtual thing. So how do you get creative? Because there is one that you made, brown skin girl.
Yeah.
That lens.
It's one of my.
Yeah.
It's one
So
of
tell
the
me,
biggest lenses and famous lenses so far.
like, what made you think of brown
Like,
skin girl, man? Like,
What made me think of the brown skin girl?
82,000?
400,000. More than 400,000 people are using brown skin girl.
Wow.
Brown skin girl.
You can check out brown skin girl
Alright.
lens right in the description.
What
below.
made me think of that lens was the black color, Black Lives Matter. And what makes me is like when lenses, when cameras are shooting people with color, the color wasn't really being the beauty that's really needed to be seen, and it always reduce that quality.
All right.
So my biggest aim was to create this lens that promotes the people with color, that promotes this beauty in the people with color, and I made this lens Brown Skin Girl. Also, the name came from the song with Beyonce and Wizkid, Brown Skin
I want to
Girl.
say I don't want to get copyrighted by that.
That's what happened.
I love that song.
Yeah, so that's where the whole idea came from.
Okay.
So that's when I made Brown Skin Girl and added China from is it from Disney? I love watching China, and she was the icon on the Brown Skin Girl, and yeah, so that was
You know one thing I like from my twin brother. It's creative.
Man.
You got this, man. Man, I love what you're doing.
You're helping to create an impact for Africa.
Exactly.
I also want to join. Everybody should join. Everybody creative. Everybody with whatever skills you have. Don't be a watcher. Don't just be what you call these people who
A passenger?
Just be a passenger. Participate with all that you can have. Participate with whatever potential, whatever you can do. Just join the bot. Help revolutionize different sectors of Africa and the world.
All right.
That.
So that's about the whole lens creation. Wow. Just from the lens, you could see that there's so much technology that's involved in this. And the thing about Snapchat lens is like, what's the fun about it? Like, I saw your recent video because on his channel is mostly uploading videos about vlogs. Man, you love vlogging.
Yeah.
And your vlogs, goddamn, I enjoy them. Even though
I feel like I'm the most underrated. I'm the most underrated so far vlog person. Even though I'm trying to change my content to amplify more of information technology, but I do feel I am the most underrated
viewers,
vlog YouTuber right now.
you heard my bro.
Yeah.
Go and support his channel. Go and subscribe to his channel. See what he's doing right there. He's doing so many amazing stuff right there on his channel. All right, bro. So like, I watched one of your videos about how to create a Snapchat lens and so on, and I really enjoyed it. And that one was underrated. Like those views were so impressive, and I saw that one of my friends in the United States were like, bro, you can switch up to creating AR. And I was like, why? Because recently I've been trying to like finish up developing my AR games, and I was working with one of my friends. And my friend's like, I work with Snapchat. I developed Snapchat lens, like Snapchat lens, and like you can watch this video. And when he sent the video, I was like, that's my brother's video. That's my brother's video. Like I was so like, cool. I was really shocked. I was like, my brother has now switched his channel because I'm used with you like being a vlogger and stuff like that. I was like, God,
What's going on?
What's going on here? Somebody has changed it. I was like really amazing. So, yeah, this is why you're on this channel, because you are making a very great impact. Because brown skin, that future is really amazing. With the skin, like you want to take a future, you're looking for the perfect, it works. Yeah. I'm not marketing it right now. I just love it. Dragon mood, sunflower queen,
brown skin girl.
Yeah. And so
only on Snapchat.
And the one with the guys. That one.
Like that's called Martian.
Yeah.
Martian.
So another thing. What do you think about the Africa aging into this new wave of technology? Like, what's your view? What do you think about all these cryptocurrency and stuff, NFTs and stuff? And I myself, because I see your Twitter feeds, you also talk about NFTs and cryptocurrency. What is all these type of things? And like, do you think us in Africa right here, are we ready for such new waves, technology and stuff? I'm not pretty sure about what you think about.
When you talk about cryptocurrency and the new wave of different types of technologies coming out, okay, it is doing in Nigeria.
No, because I remember.
And let me just simplify things for the non-tech viewers out there. NFTs are non-fungible tokens. We're just talking about original content, original documentation, JPEGs connected to the blockchain, and having the original copy staying with you. And the more you sell it using different varieties of
Okay, sorry to catch you
yeah,
here. So you're talking about NFTs, right?
Yes.
They're what?
non-fungible tokens.
Non-fungible tokens, NFT. So these are like digital art, like
It's not always art. It can be music.
Oh,
It can be music. It can be MP3.
okay.
It can be images.
So
What you're doing is just actually putting these things to the blockchain. You're minting it. Once you mint it, once you mint this content, once you mint this digital data, you're actually having the original copy. And the more it's distributing, you remain with the digital copy because the digital copy is actually connected to your blockchain. In other words, it's connected to your crypto wallet. Right, so that's the whole concept.
Yeah,
So
okay.
that's the whole concept.
All right. So that's the concept about the NFTs. All right. So like when it comes to application development, because how do you go about? How's the approach for people who just want to venture into application creation? What's your advice to like working applications?
All right. My biggest advice when it comes to working in applications is that the most of these YouTube videos don't actually give you that good clarity on how to start. You could be a general application developer. And when I mean general application developer, you could be a person just using Flutter to both develop for iOS applications and you both want to develop for the Android applications. But you could also be a niche-based developer, by which you only have a specialization on where you really want to develop. So you could only develop iOS applications only and just upload to the App Store or just do Android.
Yeah, that's the thing. That's the biggest. I could say on the channel, my developers that have been following my tutorials, I've asked this question: what's the best approach to start, iOS or Android?
All right. Okay. That's when we look at what to start with between what would you go for, iOS or Android?
Apple or Google?
I feel it's a question about your funds. It's not a question about your development process, but it's a question about your funds. iOS development is a bit pricey because you have to develop using a MacBook because you need Xcode, and it's only exclusive on if you're using.
It can't run. It's not provided for these operating systems and stuff like that. All right, guys. My other last question I have for you is: you've been working with something. I talked about machine learning when calling. I don't care how long this video is. It's the information that's needed right now. Yeah. So it's about machine learning. All this because machine learning for me when it comes to like game development and all this stuff. I understand that you train the machine in there. For example, like you're playing games like Fortnite or Mortal Kombat, or just alone you're racing. So like those cars that you're racing with, they are trained to race with you. Or but at your side, you work with advanced technology from Amazon. You've got an AWS certificate and all this stuff. But what is all this machine learning and how? Why do you recommend it and stuff?
It's all about. Okay, you know what? Before I get into this, allow me to just dive into the symphony by which people in the world actually follow buzzwords.
Right.
Immediately people heard artificial intelligence or robots killing human beings one day and stuff like that. And before I continue that, I believe in what's called symbiosis. Symbiosis is a term Elon Musk used by which we should integrate human abilities and computer abilities together in order to sustain civilization. The main aim for machine learning is making computerization or the next coming generation where we extend the ability. We want to extend.
Okay, in short, you want it more useful to our living.
We want the functionality of a computer to extend to benefit us. But when we're dealing with machine learning, exactly. This is a specialized, advanced development field in software engineering, and in machine learning, you're actually dealing with different terms. You're dealing with clusters. You're dealing with labeled data. You're dealing with unlabeled data. You're dealing with linear algorithms and different sectors of mathematics.
That's a whole lot of technologies right there.
Machine learning, math itself as other people call machine learning statistics.
I can't handle if my drink is done.
Yeah, so you have different companies actually supporting machine learning. AWS from Amazon doing machine learning. You have TensorFlow.
You got Azure, Microsoft.
Azure. You have different levels of machine learning.
I see,
and it can be intuitive and actually being digested for people to actually dive into this field and make people understand it better. But you have terms by which people don't want to sit down and learn what it is exactly.
Okay. Well, just to wrap up everything, like when it comes to machine learning, how do you think we can use it to support our everyday? I think we'll end with this because we can go on talking.
Decision making, business analytics, it can be the best way to do things. Machine learning is also the future, not only NFTs, but machine learning, artificial intelligence. These things will broaden the human civilization and also business.
Thank you so much, Erny, for coming through.
It was a privilege, guys. Thank you so much.
Guys, you heard Erny right there. Subscribe to this channel. I'll leave his channel in the link below. And man, I've had a great day. And if you made it to the end of this video, congratulations, you just earned a certificate and IT experience and stuff. And if you're not tech based, I'm sure you're now interested in technology and have video and stuff. We got a lot more amazing content to come to.
Alright, thank you so much.
Woo!